Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a really handy Git command called cherry pick. I will show you how to grab a single commit from one branch and bring it into another without merging everything else. Perfect. When you only want to move one specific change. Let's jump into a real world example. The Nautilus app team has been working on a project repository. This repo is cloned at this directory on the storage server. They recently shared the following requirements with the DevOps team. There are two branches in the repository, master and feature. One of the developers is working on the feature branch and their work is still in progress. However, they want to merge one of the commits from the feature branch to the master branch. The message for the commit that needs to be merged into master is update info.txt. Accomplish this task for them. Also remember to push your changes eventually. So imagine you have two branches in your project, master and feature. The feature branch is where some ongoing work is happening, but it's not finished yet. Now, a developer made a commit on the feature branch with the message update info.txt. They want to take just that commit and apply it to the master branch for now without merging all the other unfinished stuff from the feature. That's where Git cherry pick comes in handy. So here is how we can do step by step. This is the terminal and I have already logged into the storage server. First, make sure you are on the master branch. Git checkout master. There is no parent directory. Okay, we just need to do cd to this path. User src code cloud repos. Let's try now. Still okay. .git, it is searching for .git. That means project repository. cd opt official.git. Now try. Okay, let's add this exception. Right? Try now. This operation must run in a working tree. So we are in this path. User src code cloud repos under that official because it is searching for .git. Now if you give git checkout master, it is already on the master. Or if you are on any other branch, this will switch your working branch to master. Now the next step is to find the commit hash for the commit you want from the feature branch. You can do this by running git log feature. Let's add sudo before enter. Okay. Look through the history until you find the commit with the message update info.txt. Where is update info.txt? This one. Okay, this is the commit. The commit hash, this is the commit hash. The commit hash is the long alphanumeric string next to commit. Now cherry pick that commit onto master by running git cherry pick, copy the commit hash. What is the commit hash? This is the commit hash, right? Update info.txt is commit hash. Paste here. Replace the commit hash with the actual commit hash you found. So, for example, if they are asking us to cherry pick add welcome.txt, we need to replace this commit hash with this. But as of now, they have asked for update info.txt, so we are copying this commit hash. This applies the exact changes from that commit onto your current branch master, creating a new commit there. Enter. Okay, it is asking this again. Let's add to the safe directory. Now let's do this. Git cherry pick. Better to add sudo before enter. What it is saying, one file changed, one insertion and one deletion. Finally, push your changes to the remote repository. Git push origin master. Okay, let's add sudo before. And there you go. You have successfully taken just that one commit from the feature and added it to master without merging everything else. Cherry picking is a lifesaver for situations like this. It's super useful when you want precise control over which changes get moved between the branches. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Git and DevOps tips, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and happy coding. Bye.